Tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can turn on Memory Saver for your Google Chrome. When on, Chrome will free up memory from inactive tabs. So, this gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources and keep your Google Chrome fast. And your inactive tabs automatically becomes active again when you go back to them. It's a great feature if you are on limited resources, especially low RAM. So, let's see how it's done. First, open your Google Chrome. Then, click on the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Then, head on to the settings. Under settings, you can see the performance tab. Click on the performance tab. Now, here you can see the memory saver option. Simply click on the toggle. Now, you have three options: the moderate, the balanced, and the maximum. As it states, the moderate tabs get moderate memory savings. Your tabs become inactive after a long period of time. In the balanced, which is the recommended settings, you get balanced memory savings, which means your tabs becomes inactive after an optimal period of time. And then it's maximum. Get maximum memory savings, your tab becomes inactive after a shorter period of time. So choose whichever you prefer, and here you go. You have successfully boosted your Chrome, and now the memory saver is on. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on the video, share it as well, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.